Cell phone etiquette is something we all need to be aware of in this day and age. With everyone having a cell phone, you need to make sure that you have proper etiquette. We need to make sure that if we're in public, that you keep your voice lower when using your cell phone, or if you're having a private conversation, walk away from your group for about 10 feet. That way your private topics are private. Used to be when you were driving, all you had to do is look out for the occasional drunk driver. Now you have to look out for someone texting. Texting accidents happen more commonly, or if not more, than the drunk driver. There's certain places that your cell phone really should not be used. One of them is at church. You go to church to listen, so turn off your cell phone. If you're at a library, or who wants to be in a movie theater and have someone's ringtone blaring, or the phone light up? Come on, turn off the cell phone. If you're in a fast food line, that person that is in front of you and ordering food, they have annoying cell phone usage and they're trying to order, just hang up your cell phone and order your food. Another thing is, today, people don't like to have face-to-face conversations. They either want to text, or if you are talking to somebody face-to-face, usually one person is looking down at their phone, texting. Really? You can't give that person 1 to 2 minutes of your time without texting or saying, "Excuse me, gotta answer my cell phone." Is your cell phone that important? I remember the day when people only had a house phone. They could go on vacation. They could go driving, sightseeing, 3 or 4 hours to a mall. They didn't use their cell phone. They just learned to do without. You didn't worry about who was going to call, what call you missed. If it was important, somebody would tell you about it later. So come on, people, hang up the cell phone.